Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every hole counts, having the right tool makes all the difference. Whether you're building furniture, fixing machinery, or handling delicate metalwork, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best budget-friendly drill presses, chosen for their reliability, power, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Now, let's get started. We're starting with the SKIL 6.2 amp 10-inch drill press. This thing is a solid entry point for hobbyists who need more than a hand drill but don't want to break the bank. It packs a 6.2 amp induction motor that handles wood and light metal without much drama. You get a 5-speed system ranging from 610 to 2800 RPM adjusted by moving the belts. It features a laser alignment system and a built-in LED to keep your workspace visible. The depth stop is great for repetitive tasks, ensuring you don't drill through your workbench by mistake. Feedback shows it's a smart pick for the price, especially with the straightforward assembly. The laser is a standout feature that actually helps with lining things up. However, it's not perfect. Some users report a bit of wobble or vibration during operation, and the table adjustment can feel a little finicky. It's a budget-friendly workhorse that feels right for a home shop, though it might lack the beefiness of a pro-grade machine. If you're looking for a dependable, compact tool for light DIY, this is a very safe bet.
Next up is the VEVOR 12-inch drill press. This one steps things up with a 5-amp motor and a continuously variable speed control. Instead of messing with belts, you adjust the RPM from 580 to 3200 with a lever and watch the digital display. It's built with a 12-inch swing, giving you more room for larger workpieces. It also features a Class 3A laser and an LED light to keep your accuracy on point. The design includes a heat dissipation system, which is intended to keep the motor cool during longer sessions. We found that customers appreciate the solid build quality and the ease of assembly. The digital readout is a huge plus for those who want to know exactly how fast they're spinning. On the downside, while it's great for light tasks and small workshops, some have noted the motor struggles under moderate to heavy drilling loads. It's a value-focused machine that offers high-end features like variable speed without the premium price tag. It's a solid choice if you prioritize convenience and precision over raw industrial-grade power.
The BUCKTOOL 12-inch 6.2A drill press is where we start seeing more professional-level performance. It's got a beefy 6.2 amp induction motor that provides more torque than typical budget models. Like the VEVOR, it uses a variable speed lever ranging from 580 to 3200 RPM with a digital readout. The table is a standout. It rotates 360 degrees and tilts 45 degrees, which is perfect for complex angles. It also includes an emergency stop switch and a no-voltage release for added safety in the shop. Feedback highlights that this thing is a beast for its category. Users love the dead-accurate laser and the heavy vibration-resistant construction. The flat table design makes clamping workpieces much easier than other models. Some users have found the table height adjustment to be a bit hit or miss, but generally, the build quality earns high marks. It feels like a professional-grade tool hidden in a benchtop frame. If you're a serious DIYer who needs consistent results on everything from cabinetry to metal fabrication, this is one of the best values on the market.
Then we've got the WEN DP1263V. WEN is a staple in the budget tool world, and this 12-inch model doesn't disappoint. It runs on a 6.2 amp motor and offers a 3 1/8 inch spindle travel, which is deeper than many competitors. The mechanical variable speed lets you dial in anywhere from 580 to 3100 RPM. It's got the standard laser guide, an overhead light, and a sturdy 85-pound frame that helps keep vibrations down. It's built to be a reliable, mid-sized option for those who need a bit more reach. The general consensus is that it's remarkably sturdy for its price range. The laser is reliable and the assembly is quick. However, some experts and users feel the motor can be a bit weak when pushed to its limits on tougher materials. It's also noted that the variable speed belt might wear faster than traditional pulleys. Overall, it's an ideal woodworker's drill press. It offers a great balance of features and footprint. If you want a precise, easy-to-use machine for general shop tasks, this WEN is a very smart buy.
Finally, we're looking at the JET JWDP-12 Drill Press. This is the premium pick of the bunch.
It features a variable speed system from 530 to 3100 RPM and a heavy-duty cast iron base. One unique feature is the retractable roller extension, which helps support long workpieces, a huge help for furniture makers. It uses oversized ergonomic knobs for the feet, making the operation feel smooth and controlled. You also get the Exacta laser and a clear linear scale for depth, which is great for repeatable, professional results. We've seen that while it's more expensive, many users feel it's 100% worth the splurge. It's sturdier than the cheaper alternatives and handles most woodworking tasks with ease. That said, it's not immune to issues. Some have reported rattling at high speeds or the motor getting hot after about 15 minutes of continuous use.
Quality control seems a bit mixed for the price point, with some parts requiring a little extra grease or tightening out of the box. But if you want a high-end feel and specialized features like that table extension, JET is the way to go. And that wraps up the top 5 best budget-friendly drill presses. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.